iba, guys. Stop na natin tong vlog na to. Nagkakalokohan na lang tayo. Your Filipino ancestors are getting mad at you right now. Guys, may regalo siya sa akin. Hello, everyone. So guys, pupunta kami ngayon ng Gold Souk. And then, magdi-dinner kami. Dinner ba? You can say dinner. Sa Kuya. For our anniversary. Nag-meet kami sa Bumble noong 2023, July. Anong nakapagpa-swipe right sa'yo sa profile ko? What? Do you remember? Camera shy. Dali na, tell me. Why?
We'll talk about after Bumble.
Ako na lang magkukwento. Sa Bumble, yung babae yung unang magme-message. So, nung nag-match kami, hindi ko siya minessage. 24 hours kasi yon. So, yung 24 hours na yun, dapat makapag-message na yung babae. Nung malapit na mag-24 hours, in-extend niya, nagbayad si kuya. Ay! Nagbayad! Sige nga, message ko nga. Tinanong ko siya, ang tanong ko sa kanya, how would you rate your sinigang ba? Yung ba yung tanong ko?
I give you my CV first.
Oo, he gave me my CV. He gave me everything that I need to know. Kasi ayaw niya ng small talk. Message niya, hi, I'm Val, single, walang pamilya, ganon. Ang arte! Chef daw siya. Ang rule ko sa sarili ko, dapat pupuntahan ako sa Sharjah. Kasi taga Sharjah ako eh. 2 beses gumastos si kuya para lang pumunta ng Sharjah. Bago kita sagutin, kailangan magpunta ka. Dapat nga 3 eh. Ang usapan namin ni Chloe noon, 3 beses ka dapat pupunta ng Sharjah. Kaya lang medyo naawa na ako eh. Walang sasakyan siya noon eh. Nung unang date namin, may dalang bulaklak agad si kuya. Oh my God! May dala siyang bulaklak. Parang ang special ko naman. Wednesday siya nagpunta. Nalala ko noon, Thursday, niyaya niya ulit ako para sabi, inom daw kami. Alitang namin.
Ang aya ko sa'yo nun. Ang aya ko sa'yo kakain.
Kakain pala. Kasi, you offered din naman na, do you want drinks? Parang ganun. Gusto mo ba ng beer?
Sabi mo kasi malakas ka sa Red Horse. No? Pinagyayabang mo. Ako naman, normal lang sa akin uminom. I have beer with my meal.
Oh my.
That's my soft drinks. That's my carbonated drink. You being you saying, malakas ako mag-inom.
In my defense,
Naka-3 Red Horse ako, onti pa lang.
nung mga panahong yon, medyo naglilo na ako sa alak. Kaya hindi na talaga ako nag-aalak. Parang mga isang taon na siguro akong hindi ganon. So, yung tolerance ko, malakas ako uminom kahit tanong mo si Rean. Dati yon.
I didn't ask you to drink. I just ask you what do you want.
So, ayoko na nga nito. I-stop na natin itong vlog na.
Nang holding hands agad, di naman. Totoo naman, totoo hindi.
Stop na natin
Totoo
itong vlog
hindi,
na.
totoo muna hindi.
Hindi totoo yon. Hinawakan mo yung kamay ko.
Sabi mo, halika na. Holding hands mo pa.
Hindi kaya. Hindi totoo yon. Fake news. That's a fake news. Stop na natin tong vlog na to. Nagkakalokohan na lang tayo. Dito tayo. Pag meron. Kailangan namin bumalik sa bahay kasi nakalimutan ko yung cellphone ko. Who goes out without their cell phone? We're going there. We're here at Gold Souk. Kami sana yung parking. Pwede na ba tayong tumalon dito?
Yeah.
Hello po. Ano po sana kami, magbebenta po ng ito po.
Tomas,
208.
308. ID. Ah, sa atin.
Pa,
Sa atin.
sa Bulacan po, siya po kabanatuan. Kayo po, kuya.
Bye. Baler.
Ah,
Bale.
oo, ako kuya. Lagi kami dun dati.
Saan ka sa Kabanatuan?
Adwas.
Aduas. May bahay din ako sa Talagoan. Sa... Yeah, 100 for us na.
Salamat po. Excuse me, which way is kuya? Kuya.
Just go straight. There is a ATM. Just take a left side. There is a pool.
Okay, thank you.
Okay na lang.
Yes. Pineapple glaze. Pineapple glaze
my
din is
God.
masarap. Ang pa siyang akala. Ganito kalaki yung gulaman nila. Maharap sa paggulaman.
Coconut.
Oo. Cafe.
Like buko pandan but with rum.
Oh, shit. How is it, love? Okay. Naalala ko last year nung birthday ko. That was 2 years ago. He made okay for me. Nang-order na lang kami. Ito try natin kainin yung okay. This is my favorite. Kamay ko.
Bukas ka na lang.
Sige na.
They have delivery pala din.
Oh my God. Ang sarap. Oh my God.
Can I have one? Mainit.
Cheers. Thanks.
It's so hot.
Guys, ito yung fried bulalo. Dito ko na lang, hindi ko napapakita sa inyo kasi nalalaglag lahat ng ginagalaw ko. My God, nalaglag na naman. Amazing. Okay, the best.
Which one?
That's my top one.
Let's see later.
We have yet to taste the empanada, bulalo empanada. Oh my God. Do you see that? Puro siya garlic. Balat ng garlic. So damn amazing. Makain siya. Do you eat with the ano? No, because we finished all. Ganun siya sarap. Na-finish namin. What is that?
Lalagyan ng tissue kasi.
Alam mo yung nasa isip ko, usually kasi naman ano, yung sime. Sime. You don't know what sime is?
It's not Tagalog.
It is. Love. Bulakenya. Sime. Sime in English, it's a Tagalog word. Scales, bones, and other leftover from eating fish.
We call it trimmings.
Oh my God.
We call it trims.
No, in Cabanatuan, how do you say it in Tagalog? Momo is like this one. This
Because
it's
Kanin.
the rice, yung kanin scattered, sobrang daming momo scattered around the plate or the table. Sime is like when you eat it, the bones and the sime is. My God, we're going for halo-halo. Ayan, tumawag ako pag may dumaan na lang. Isa pong solong halo-halo and then pistachio silvas.
Okay po. One Sylvanas and halo-halo solo.
Yes po, thank you.
Okay, sure po. Pero yung Sylvanas is currently not available.
Okay lang.
Halo-halo
Halo-halo na
lang.
lang. Thank you. This is their solo.
Paano mo ano yun?
Tingnan niyo, yung kamay ko. Malaki na yung kamay ko on average. See? How big it is. Oh my God. Yes or no? Do I eat langka or no?
Yes. Why?
I don't.
You don't eat half of the things in the world.
Hindi kaya. Mention things. Pag umabot ng 10, that means half of it I don't eat.
Carrots.
I eat in
You don't
Small-
eat carrots. You don't like.
small bites. Okay, one. I don't eat the carrots kapag ka malaki. For example, caldereta, I don't eat. Pero kapag ka pansit or mixed vegetable for season, I
Langka.
eat. 3.
3? Tignan mo, 3 ba yan? Red bell pepper. Green bell pepper. Oh,
that doesn't count.
Bakit?
That doesn't count. That doesn't count.
Bell pepper.
Okay, 3. What else?
Dilis.
I just ate.
But you don't. You see, but earlier you said you don't.
Yeah, I
Without even trying.
4. I'm a fiancé of a chef. I eat almost everything.
Nakalima na nga ako.
4 pa lang, oh.
4, that's a lot already. Okra.
5.
Saluyot.
What's saluyot?
Yung yung ganun din na dahon.
I don't know saluyot. My mom never ate, so I haven't tried at all.
Tuyo. Tinola.
7.
Kita mo, ang dami.
Usapan natin 10.
Luya.
Oy. 8.
8 na, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Sili.
9.
See? Siling pula. Siling green.
Sili lang lahat yun. Bell pepper nga. Kasama na din yun dun.
Kasama magkalasa ba? Hindi mo magkalasa.
Any kind of pepper is the same pepper.
Ano pa?
Wala na. See?
Goat's cheese.
I ate feta cheese.
It's not goat, that's sheep. It's different.
That's good. I haven't tried. Then goat.
Papa?
Yeah, very good. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
You know I don't like ube.
Your Filipino ancestors are getting mad at you right now.
I don't like.
How dare you not like ube? That's like the matcha of the Philippines.
One more item that you don't eat is
Love doesn't eat okra also. So he doesn't have the right to judge me because I don't eat okra. I eat okra. He hates okra also. You missed one.
so it is then.
Yeah, it is 10. I
So-
just remember.
Which one?
What's usually with okra when you cook pakbet?
You don't eat pakbet?
I don't eat pakbet.
You see?
Now it's 11. What's usually with okra?
Bagoong. No.
I eat bagoong.
What?
It's your favorite and your mom's favorite too. I'm not gonna say it until you guessed it.
It's not my favorite because I can't remember.
You're the only
Talong.
one. Yeah, see?
So, 11. And you say you eat almost everything. No, for me, I like ube, but ube is overrated. There's nothing special with it.
Oh my god. I am so hurt with what you're
That's
saying.
true.
You know, the Americans have started getting ube on their own.
You don't eat durian also.
Uwi na kami. Dito na kami sa bahay. Guys, may regalo siya sa akin. Mag-mic tayo. Wait. Who is that girl I see? Oh, she's malaki wala to. Oh my God, kala ko meron pa siyang isa pang nakalagay na bucket sa loob. Pero apparently ito rin. Oh my God, kailangan kong umusog. Lumipat tayo ng venue. Baka mabasag yung mga ano ko. Oh my God! Favorite color niya. Oh my. Nice nimbus. Oh, may libre din spatula. May kasama din siyang spatula. Come here. Gusto niya yung nandyan siya dyan. Kirain na natin. Uy. Oh. Ganon. Ay, sorry. Tapos, alam nyo, ang tagal ko na nang gusto ng ganito kasi gusto kong mag-bake nung takip ba to? Hala, oo nga, may takip siya. Oh my God, ang ganda. So, may takip din. Tapos, meron din ito. Tapos, meron pang isa. Ito naman. Pang mix. Meron ito, at saka ito. Tapos, Kasama natin tong mixing bowl. Rubber siya. Hoy, ang feeling! Sorry, naaano ko yung mic. Wah! Wah! Kasaya, di ka ba? Charis. Tapos nakakalimutan kong ibaba. Ganito nga pa na yun. Ayun lang! Ganito yung saksakan. Ganito ba dapat talaga? Hindi, di ba? Pero huwag na tayo magreklamo kasi ito. Chan tararan! He's like, ayan na, magbenta ka na, wala nang pumipigil sa'yo. Sa mami ko, kasi yung mami ko, happy siya sa mga ganito. I-share natin yung happiness natin sa ating tao sa paligid. So guys, ang masasabi ko lang is happy anniversary sa amin. Ay, sorry. I love a good stand, sir. Thank you, love. I love you.